A late summer storm rolled over Black Canyon of the Gunnison and the light kept changing every few seconds. I was packing up when a break opened in the clouds and a clean rainbow dropped out of the gray curtain to the west. I set the tripod back down in the brush, framed the arc against the dark belly of the cloud, and let the sunlit rim of canyon rock hold the lower edge of the scene. The foreground pines gave me depth, the cliff gave me scale, and the sky did the rest. Rain smelled sharp on dust and sage. You could hear it hissing on the plateau in the distance while my spot stayed dry. Wine tugged at the leaves, so I waited between gusts to keep the branches from blurring. I focused on the lit cliff face, stopped down enough to hold the treetops, and watched the histogram so the bright band of color would stay rich without clipping. When the rainbow brightened and the cloud base glowed warm, I took the shot. On your wall, this photograph delivers contrast and hope, brooding storm, vivid color, rugged rock, and deep greens. It suits a living room, office, hallway, or cabin where a dramatic western landscape feels right. Your print is produced by a professional lab on premium photo paper. Canvas, nettle, or acrylic options are available if you prefer another surface. Pick the size that fits your space, frame it your way, and keep that sudden rainbow moment close.